Hi, I'm Gary and welcome to my shop. In this short video, I'm going to show you something about these talking wine labels that I just recently discovered about. I do make some woodworking that involves wine accessories such as bottle stoppers and other kinds of wines of accessories and bottle racks or wine racks. So I came across these and found out that you can get an app off the Play Store for iOS or Android, and these labels will animate and talk to you. It's kind of a simple entertainment idea, but for right now these are the only ones that they work with, is the 19 Crimes and the Walking Dead ones. And I can imagine in the future maybe they'll expand upon this and offer some other labels that'll do the same thing. So I'll show you how these work and hope you enjoy it. Okay, they've got these wines out now called living wines, and like this one here, 19 Crimes, and the other one is called Walking Dead. And if you hold your smartphone up to it, there's an app where you can, the label will animate and talk to you. So I'll show you how this works here.
Easter Monday, 1876. We made break for the ship Catalpa. We nearly sunk getting to her, but after 2 days, hands bloody from rowing, we boarded the Catalpa.
Kind of tilts with you.
Some may call me traitor, others hero, but I call myself Michael Harrington, Fenian brother, and part of the Free 96.
Okay. Now I'll show you how the other one works. This one is the Walking Dead. This guy will get out on top of my bench top here. Oh, cracked the screen on my phone. Jeez. Well, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I got the inspiration to maybe get some of these talking wine labels and have some fun with it. If you enjoyed it, please give me a like and share it with your family, friends, and fellow craftspersons. Also, please give me your comments so I know what you want to see. Also, please subscribe so you won't miss anything. So, as I say, if the ladies don't find you handsome, at least they should find you handy. Thank you.